What's up, guys? Good morning. Actually, today it's not raining, so I installed an HKS silent power exhaust on my Jimny a couple months back. Actually, it's one of the first things I did, and I know people have been wanting a video and some audio of how it works, so we're gonna do that today. So here's the exhaust, and let's see if we can pan it around, get a good look. It's just a catback. Nothing special. Well, that's about it for today, guys. Hey, I'm looking for these little rubber bumpers that go in there. I have no idea where to find them, so if you do, drop a comment and let me know. And I'm also having a radiator issue, more with the AC, with so hot it is. I think it's the airflow. So I'd like to upgrade the fan in the front or the back, and if you know where to get one of those, let me know. Thanks, guys.